The heads of state from Japan, the Philippines, and the United States have jointly expressed grave concern regarding China's conduct in the contested South China Sea. Over recent years, Beijing has intensified its presence in the crucial maritime region, leading to heightened tensions, notably with the Philippines. This nation, among others in Southeast Asia, asserts territorial claims over portions of the sea adjacent to its shores. In response to a recent altercation near Second Thomas Shoal that resulted in injuries to Filipino soldiers and damage to vessels, President Ferdinand Marcos of the Philippines declared Manila's intention to enact countermeasures against China. The leaders of Japan, the Philippines, and the United States expressed shared concern over the People's Republic of China's, which is PRC, provocative actions in the South China Sea during the inaugural summit held in Washington, D.C. This joint statement comes amidst escalating tensions in the region. Beijing's expansive territorial claims, encapsulated in its so-called Nine-Dash Line, which encompasses nearly the entire South China Sea, have been met with international skepticism. A landmark ruling by the International Court in 2016 rejected China's claims, yet Beijing has continued to assert its dominance in the area. Beyond the Philippines, countries such as Brunei, Malaysia, and Vietnam also stake territorial claims in parts of the contested sea. The statement noted the importance of respecting the sovereign rights of states within their exclusive economic zones, which is called EEZ, consistent with international law as reflected in the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, which is UNCLOS. It also reiterated the three states' opposition to China's dangerous and coercive use of Coast Guard and maritime militia vessels in the South China Sea. Second Thomas Shoal, also referred to as Iongen in the Philippines, has become a focal point of contention between Beijing and Manila in recent months. China's Coast Guard has engaged in multiple confrontations, including the use of water cannon against vessels attempting to resupply a group of Filipino sailors stationed aboard the deliberately grounded Sierra Madre. Located approximately 200 kilometers, which will be 124 miles from the western Philippine island of Palawan, Second Thomas Shoal falls well within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone, as stipulated by the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS. Conversely, it lies over 1,000 kilometers, which is 621 miles from China's southern Hainan Island, underscoring the disputed nature of China's claims in the region.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.